month of July is here, which was filled with historic moments and unforgettable achievements. Hi viewers, my name is Sasha and I have got some great news rolling in from the month of July. Starting in news from the government sector. 3 drones, namely Aero ZFR by Aero, AgriBot A6 by IoTech World Aviation and Krishi 2.0 by Drogo Drones received type certification from DGCA. IDEAFORGE'S made a stellar debut this month with its share listing at a premium 94.21% over their offer price, which is considered to be the best listing in the last 2 years. Drone Destinations initial offering opened for subscription on July 7, 2023, where it has received a strong response on the first day itself. The issue consisted of a total issue of 6,800,000 shares. Also, Drone Destination and IIFCO has signed an MOU for agri-drone spray services through Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samriddhi Kendras at 50 locations in 9 states across the country. IIFCO gives an order for procuring 2,500 IIFCO Kisan drones and has divided it among 6 agri-drone manufacturers. IoTech World Aviation received the highest order of 500 drones. The remaining 5 manufacturers, namely Paras Aerospace, Garuda Aerospace, Thanos General Aeronautics and Daksh Unmanned Systems, has received order for 400 drones. Directorate General of Foreign Trade eases out SCOMET policy related to the export of drones, UAVs for civilian use, a forthcoming step towards making India the drone hub of the world. An MOU was signed between Directorate General of Civil Aviation India and European Union Aviation Safety Agency for collaborating on unmanned aircraft and innovative air mobility between the 2 civil aviation authorities. Drone manufacturer INDSIDE FPV raised rupees 2.75 crores in a seed round led by Inflection Point Ventures. As revealed, the funds will be used for product development, marketing and research. On a regional conference, Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah announced that a new drone policy will soon be brought for entailing a host of restrictions and compulsory registration of all UAVs. SKYEAIR ties up with Himachal Pradesh government to deploy unmanned traffic management across the state. DRONEACHARYA Aerial Innovations Limited partners with King Mongkut's Institute of Technology, Latkrabang in Thailand to launch an innovative drone school and drone center of excellence at KMITL campus. Zen Technologies announced a significant order win from the Government of India valued at approximately rupees 160 crores, which is a part of government's indigenous design and development plan. Drone logistics ecosystem collaborating with SEDAXIS Advanced Materials, one of the India's fastest growing companies in the composite equipment, 3D printing and material sectors. News from defense sector. To keep a strict vigilance on China and Pak borders, India to acquire 97 made in India drones for over 10,000 crores. TSAW Drones has joined forces with SPACEFIELD, a space tech startup, to revolutionize drone technology for defense applications, aiming to develop cutting-edge solid propellant drones. Geospatial organizations ALLTERRA India and NEOGEOINFO Technologies collaboratively won the largest ever drone-based land parcel mapping contract through an open tender process from Karnataka government. OKULO Aerospace successfully raised $1 million in a funding round led by Idea Spring Capital with participation from Java Capital Coimbatore, Innovation and Business Incubator and a group of angels from Rockfort Ventures. An MOU has been signed between IIT Kanpur and Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University to teach the students the nuances of making and using drones. An experimental trial to utilize drones for superior healthcare for tribals and rural communities is being launched by REDWING Labs. PG Diploma in Unmanned Aircraft Systems, Drone Technologies to be implemented jointly by CDAC and NIELIT as a part of capacity building for human resource development in UAV. The Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon will conduct monthly drone surveys of Bhandwari landfill to monitor waste processing by private agencies and assess the volume of legacy waste. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drones News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video and do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.